Ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you. Ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no mountain high, ain't no mountain high enough to keep me from getting to you. Ain't no mountain high, ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough.
有请梅赛德斯奔驰集团股份公司董事会成员、负责大中华区业务的唐世凯先生。Please welcome Mr. Hubertus Strauska。
女士们、先生们，亲爱的媒体朋友们，大家上午好。今天春天大季终于来了，是不是看起来倍儿棒？正所谓越野越奔驰。我还是用英文吧。Ladies and gentlemen, I'm super excited to introduce to you the most capable, the most iconic electric off-roader today, the Mercedes-Benz G580 with EQ technology. As the first ever EV in its segment, the G-Wagon again writes history by kicking off the electric era of luxury off-roaders. As you can see, the new electric G is a G-Class through and through. Moreover, it's the perfect fusion of tradition and progress. On the one hand, it stays true to the iconic style that a G should have. The black panel grille with LED light strips makes it even more stunning than ever. On the other hand, this G-Wagon's off-road capabilities have been raised to new levels thanks to its drive technologies. Now, what makes this electric G-Class the one and only? Firstly, the G-Class is always the uncompromising off-roader, even in the electric era. The G580 is highly versatile, with 4 individually controlled electric motors. As a result, it provides an exceptional 432 kilowatts of output and 1,164 newton meters of peak torque. Many of its driving highlights are setting new benchmarks. Number 1, the revolutionary G-turn. It helps you easily manage sticky situations on loose ground, and it allows the vehicle to be rotated up to 720 degrees without stopping. Number 2, the new G-steering dramatically reduces the turning circle in rough terrain. Just imagine how practical it is when driving tight off-road corners at low speeds. And number 3, as you can see from the start, the off-road crawl function helps you gain more control when going up or downhill on low-grip roads. The electric G continues to demonstrate top-notch stability and body control. 100% slope climbing? Sure, as always. It's also perfect to handle a side slope angle of 35 degrees. The fording ability is genuinely impressive. It allows you to drive through water or mud up to 85 centimeters deep. That's 15 centimeters deeper than its ICE siblings. Secondly, our electric technologies ensure an even safer and more efficient off-road experience. As the pioneer in this segment, we've installed a composite skid plate, which is made of an intelligent material mix containing carbon. Such material provides significantly increased protection for the battery, but weighs 3 times less than steel. The 116 kilowatt-hour battery enables a CLTC range of around 570 kilometers. Simply put, it can take you from Kunming to Yulong Mountain on a single charge. As a first for our all-electric vehicles, we have the new 2-speed transmission. This ensures that the G580 can maximize the torque while minimizing energy consumption on and off-road. Thirdly, the electric G keeps you entertained with enhanced digital figure. We upgraded the infotainment experience through MBUX with a 12.3-inch driver and media displays, so you can have as much fun sitting in your G as you do off-roading. And this fun now also extends to the rear seat with two fully integrated 11.6-inch touch displays. One more thing, the electric G also comes with an entirely new G Roar. Electric V8. With this sound experience, the electric G is simply the king of the jungle on roads. Ladies and gentlemen, for the G-Class, we always say it's stronger than time. The G is not only about being an off-road legend and its iconic shape. It's the off-road icon that carries our spirit forward. Never compromise, never follow the crowd, never give up. Since 1979, we've built over 500,000 G-Class vehicles over the last 45 years. As a testament to their robustness, as many as 80% of them are still on the road today. As the saying goes, where there is a G, there is a way. Over the last 2 decades, we've been fortunate to gain more than 50,000 G-Class customers here in China, as its second largest market in the world. Today, we're offering our fans the most diverse G portfolio. This includes the all-electric new G500 and the AMG G63, and limited models like the AMG G63 Grand Edition. With the further expansion of our manufacturer customization program, the G icons can be as unique as you desire. Moreover, I'm very happy to announce that our electric G will be launched in China this year. But before delivering such an iconic model to our customers, we needed it to master the Schöckel Mountain near its hometown of Graz. It climbed up and down the gradients of up to 60% over 300 times. That's more than 2,000 kilometers. And we just wrapped up winter testing, and we booked the toughest test driver we could find. Guess who it is? Let's have a look.
Hello everybody, I'm here in northern Sweden, close to the Arctic Circle, testing this amazing electric G. You should try out the G-Turn. Looking forward to seeing it in China.
Please welcome Mr. Markus Schäfer, member of the Board of Management of Mercedes-Benz Group AG, Chief Technology Officer, Development and Procurement.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen, ni hao. The all-new G580 with EQ technology, also known as the electric G-Class, doing what the G-Class does best and more besides. It's an exciting new era for our off-road pioneer, and it's electric. As you can see, this is a true Geländewagen. It's the perfect fusion of tradition and progress. The G580 with EQ technology will be introduced to the market in the second half of 2024. It is ready to order in main European markets as of tomorrow. And our Chinese customers are of course welcome to talk to our dealer partners. We will continue to take all the necessary steps to go all electric. The electric G will play a key role in the G family, and it's a fantastic new opportunity for customers. At the same time, we will continue to deliver even more choice for customers around the world. and deliver even more benefits of innovation in electric drive and digital technology. And you can be sure that we will keep that unique DNA that is stronger than time. Thank you. 谢谢.
The new electric G-Class is absolutely an authentic G-Class, and this was the clear goal of our development activities. And there were so many details, and there are so many details of a G-Class that made the G-Class so successful in 45 years. So we are basically just changing the drivetrain. Well, the whole drivetrain of the electric G-Class is very, very special, and it's different compared to other electric vehicles of Mercedes-Benz. The electric G-Class has 4 different motors. So close to each wheel there's an electric motor, and you can control them individually, every single one, by software. So ultimately you can produce driving conditions that a combustion G-Class cannot offer, like the G-turn, a 360-degree spin, like the G-steering, cornering around tight corners, crawling. And these are functions that no combustion G-Class can do.